Organism in population. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. High altitude sickness is caused by A. High altitude, lower temperature, and lower pressure. B. High altitude, lower temperature, and higher pressure. C. High altitude, higher temperature, and higher pressure. D. Low altitude, lower temperature, and lower pressure. Answer. A. High altitude, lower temperature, and lower pressure. 2. The maximum number of individuals of a population that can be sustained by a given habitat is called A. Population density. B. Carrying capacity. C. Biotic potential. D. Environmental resistance. Answer. B. Carrying capacity. 3. Temperature is important for which of the following functions? A. Solvent. B. Metabolic activities. C. Reproduction. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. B. Metabolic activities. 4. Light is crucial for which of the following processes in most ecosystems? A. Photosynthesis. B. Reproduction. C. Respiration. D. Transpiration. Answer. A. Photosynthesis. 5. Freshwater animals cannot survive in seawater for long due to A. Temperature difference. B. Pressure difference. C. Osmotic problems. D. Lack of nutrients. Answer. C. Osmotic problems. 6. Which of the following is the primary energy source for most ecosystems? A. Water. B. Temperature. C. Soil. D. Light. Answer. D. Light. 7. What is the term for organisms whose body temperature and osmotic concentration change with the ambient temperature and water osmotic concentration, respectively? A. Regulators. B. Conformers. C. Migratory. D. Hibernating. Answer. B. Conformers. 8. Which of the following is an example of an organism responding to an unfavorable abiotic factor by suspending its activities? A. A bird migrating to a warmer region. B. A plant growing in a sunny area. C. A freshwater fish in seawater. D. An organism entering a state of dormancy during winter. Answer. D. An organism entering a state of dormancy during winter. 9. What are organisms that can maintain homeostasis, keeping their internal body temperature and osmotic concentration constant despite external changes, called? A. Conformers. B. Regulators. C. Euryhaline. D. Mesoderms. Answer. B. Regulators. 10. Freshwater animals cannot survive for long in seawater. What is the primary reason for this? A. Temperature differences. B. High salinity. C. Osmotic problems. D. Light intensity. Answer. C. Osmotic problems. 11. Which of the following is an edific, soil-related, abiotic factor that is crucial for plant growth? A. Sunlight. B. Wind. C. Soil moisture and nutrients. D. Temperature. Answer. C. Soil moisture and nutrients. 12. Which of the following is an example of Allen's rule? A. Polar bears have white fur for camouflage. B. Cacti have spines to reduce water loss. C. Mammals in colder climates have shorter ears and limbs. D. Birds have hollow bones for flight. Answer. C. Mammals in colder climates have shorter ears and limbs. 13. Which of these is an example of a physiological adaptation to altitude? A. Longer limbs to help in walking on snow. B. A thicker fur coat for insulation. C. Increased production of red blood cells to cope with low oxygen. D. Camouflage to hide from predators. Answer. C. Increased production of red blood cells to cope with low oxygen. 14. The ability of an organism to regulate its internal environment to maintain a stable state is called? A. Adaptation. B. Migration. C. Hibernation. D. Homeostasis. Answer. D. Homeostasis. 15. Which of the following is a population attribute? A. Birth rate. B. Death rate. C. Sex ratio. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 16. The number of individuals of a species per unit area or volume is known as A. Population density. B. Population growth. C. Population distribution. D. Population dispersion. Answer. A. Population density. 17. The ratio of males to females in a population is called? A. Age structure. B. Sex ratio. C. Population density. D. Natality. Answer. B. Sex ratio. 18. An age pyramid with a large base and a narrow top indicates A. A declining population. B. A steady population. C. An expanding population. D. A stable population. Answer. C. An expanding population. 19. Which of the following is the study of the changing the nature of the population? A. Demography. B. Ecology. C. Genetics. D. Evolution. Answer. A. Demography. 20. A group of individuals of the same species that live in the same area at a particular time is called A. Community. B. Population. C. Ecosystem. D. Biome. Answer. B. Population. 21. The birth rate and death rate are measures of A. Population size. B. Population distribution. C. Population growth. D. Population age structure. Answer. C. Population growth. 22. If the natality rate is equal to the mortality rate in a population, what will be the outcome? A. Population will increase. B. Population will decrease. C. Zero population growth. D. Population explosion. Answer. C. Zero population growth. 23. In a stable population, the age pyramid shows A. A large pre-reproductive age group. B. A higher number of older individuals. C. Roughly equal numbers of individuals in pre-reproductive and reproductive groups. D. A rapidly growing population. Answer. C. Roughly equal numbers of individuals in pre-reproductive and reproductive groups. 24. Which of the following factors necessarily decreases the density of a population in a given habitat? A. Natality. B. Immigration. C. Emigration. D. Mortality. Answer. C. Emigration. 25. Logistic growth is represented by which type of curve? A. J-shaped. B. S-shaped sigmoid. C. Straight line. D. Wavy line. Answer. B. S-shaped sigmoid. 26. Which of the following is characteristic of logistic growth? A. Population size increases indefinitely. B. Growth rate is constant. C. Growth rate slows down as the population size gets larger. D. The population size fluctuates randomly. Answer. C. Growth rate slows down as the population size gets larger. 27. An insect species showing an explosive increase during the rainy season followed by disappearance at the end of the season suggests A. A J-type growth curve. B. A logistic growth curve. C. Predation is the main factor. D. Its population growth is independent of resources. Answer. A. A J-type growth curve. 28. Which ecological principle is the basis for biological control of pests? A. Competition. B. Predation. C. Mutualism. D. Commensalism. Answer. B. Predation. 29. In predation, the organism that hunts and kills is called the A. Prey. B. Predator. C. Host. D. Parasite. Answer. B. Predator. 30. Which of the following is the most accurate description of predation? A. Both organisms benefit. B. One organism benefits, and the other is harmed. C. One organism benefits, and the other is unaffected. D. Both organisms are harmed. Answer. B. One organism benefits, and the other is harmed. 31. Predation is crucial for the natural transfer of energy from one trophic level to the next. What is an example of this? A. A snake eating a frog. B. A tiger killing and eating a deer. C. Both A and B. D. A plant absorbing sunlight. Answer. C. Both A and B. 32. In a predator-prey relationship, the predator's role is to A. Get food and shelter from the prey. B. Hunt and consume the prey. C. Compete with the prey for resources. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Hunt and consume the prey. 33. If two species compete for the same resource, which of the following mechanisms can they evolve to avoid competition? A. Competitive exclusion. B. Resource partitioning. C. Predation. D. Mutualism. Answer. B. Resource partitioning. 34. What is the competitive exclusion principle, as per G.F. Gause? A. Two species can occupy the same niche indefinitely if they compete for the same limiting resources. B. One species will eventually exclude another if they both compete for the same limiting resources. C. The more abundant species will always exclude the less abundant species through competition. D. Larger organisms will always exclude smaller ones through competition. Answer. B. One species will eventually exclude another if they both compete for the same limiting resources. 35. Which of the following is an example of intraspecific competition? A. Competition for resources between a lion and a tiger. B. Competition between a male and female deer for a mate. C. Competition between a cuckoo and a crow for a nest. D. Competition between an orchid and a tree. Answer. B. Competition between a male and female deer for a mate. 36. Competition between two species is an example of which type of interaction? A. Mutualism. B. Commensalism. C. Interspecific interaction. D. Parasitism. Answer. C. Interspecific interaction. 37. Which of the following is the correct example of brood parasitism? A. Cuckoo and crow. B. Plasmodium and mosquito. C. Saculina and crab. D. Wicheria and man. Answer. A cuckoo and crow. 38. Which of the following is a characteristic of a parasite that helps it survive? A. Loss of unnecessary sense organs. B. Low reproductive capacity. C. Presence of adhesive organs. D. A and C are both correct answers. Answer. D. A and C are both correct answers. 39. Which of the following is an example of a parasite that is harmed by the host? A. Cuckoo laying eggs in a crow's nest. B. A parasite living on the surface of its host, ectoparasite. C. An endoparasite living inside its host. D. None of the above. Answer. A cuckoo laying eggs in a crow's nest. 40. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding parasitism? A. Parasites often have complex life cycles involving multiple hosts. B. Parasites can reduce the survival, growth, and reproduction of their host. C. Parasites usually kill their host. D. Parasites need their host for survival. Answer. C. Parasites usually kill their host. 41. Which of the following is an example of commensalism? A. A lion hunting a zebra. B. A tick on a dog. C. Barnacles on a whale. D. A fungus and an alga in a lichen. Answer. C. Barnacles on a whale. 42. In commensalism, one organism benefits and the other is A. Harmed. B. Benefited. C. Unaffected. D. Both are harmed. Answer. C. Unaffected. 43. An orchid growing on a mango tree is an example of A. Predation. B. Mutualism. C. Commensalism. D. Parasitism. Answer. C. Commensalism. 44. The interaction between cattle egret and grazing cattle is an example of A. Competition. B. Parasitism. C. Predation. D. Commensalism. Answer. D. Commensalism. 45. What type of interaction occurs between the clownfish and the sea anemone? A. Predation. B. Commensalism. C. Mutualism. D. Parasitism. Answer. B. Commensalism. 46. Which of the following is an example of mutualism? A. Plasmodium and mosquito. B. Head lice on humans. C. Cattle egret and grazing cattle. D. The fig and the wasp. Answer. D. The fig and the wasp. 47. In which type of interaction are both interacting organisms harmed? A. Parasitism. B. Protocooperation. C. Mutualism. D. Competition. Answer. D. Competition. 48. Which of the following interactions benefits one species and neither benefits nor harms the other? A. Mutualism. B. Commensalism. C. Amensalism. D. Predation. Answer. B. Commensalism. 49. The interaction where one species is harmed and the other is unaffected is called A. Mutualism. B. Commensalism. C. Amensalism. D. Predation. Answer. C. Amensalism. 50. Which of the following is a correct example of mutualism? A. Adamsia, hermit crab. B. The human fetus and the mother. C. A cuckoo laying eggs in a crow's nest. D. The fig and the wasp. Answer. D. The fig and the wasp. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.